All right, guys, so this is the lab video that you're going to use for the lab today. And you'll see some measurements you can see on the scale here, and you're going to use those to kind of work through this, all right? So this is going to be a video of the reaction between Ki and PbNO3 all right? And it's going to be a double replacement, and you're going to need to write the equation, all right? So I would probably kind of watch through it once, and then you can make the first part of it where you write the reaction, particle diagram, word equation, and then we'll take some measurements, okay? So the first thing I would do is just kind of take a look at what they're doing, just kind of get familiar with it. It's pretty quick. All right, so they're putting some PbNO3 in there, adding some water, okay, making a solution. Then we're going to bring in a solution of potassium iodide, Ki. All right, you can see the amount, but we'll do that in a minute. All right, and then we're going to mix these together, and we're going to get a double replacement reaction, and then it's going to stop, okay? All right, so the first thing that you want to do is go and write the balanced chemical equation. All right, you're starting with Ki in PbNO3 I will remind you that you should watch the charges, right, when they switch partners, right? Remember, you need to think about what they are for charge, +1, -1, +2, -2, and make sure that the formulas are correct, all right? So make sure that that's correct before you go on. If you have questions, you should ask me, all right? So I would probably pause the video and do most of the first page through the word equation, okay? And then you'll come back and make the measurements. So that's what I would do first. So I would pause, okay? And then when you come back, let's watch it again, but now we're going to, why is this not working? There we go. Now we're going to take some measurements. All right, so we want to figure out which one of these two reactants is the limiting reactant. So we have the PbNO3 solution that we made, and then we're going to have the Ki solution that was already made. We're going to mix those together. Okay, so you need to figure out which one is the limiting reactant. All right, so then the next few questions will take you through that. All right, so I'll just kind of play it again. So the first thing you're going to do is figure out the mass of PbNO3 powder that was added and detail that for me. Okay, the water added, not really that important, but you're just going to explain it. Okay, and you can pause this if you need to, go back. All right, so here is a graduated cylinder that has 1 molar potassium iodide. Okay, and you can see the graduated cylinder is giving you the amount, estimate it the best you can. All right, and then in the lab document, I linked a little review of molarity, which is something that you need to review a little bit for the final, okay? So you'll need to use the information here with this potassium iodide to figure out the moles for the BCA table, okay? And I'm gonna let you figure that out because I trust that you can do it. I don't need to explain it to you, okay? All right, and you're gonna get that measurement from the graduated cylinder, okay? Then you're gonna mix them together, all right? And then we're gonna see what happens. Okay, so that's the first part. So that should take you pretty much through the first couple pages, right? So you're going to go ahead and figure out which one's the limiting reactant using the BCA table, okay? And then you're going to calculate what mass of lead-2 iodide should be produced, okay? So in this solution here, or in this beaker, there is 2 products. Okay, one is the lead-2 iodide. That's the yellow solid that's being produced in there. Okay, and then the other reactant, which is the potassium nitrate, that is an aqueous solution, which you'll see more in the next video. Okay, so you're going to basically use your BCA table and you're going to figure out what mass of that lead-2 iodide should be produced in the reaction. Okay, so that's going to take you all the way through till it says work to the next video, okay, which is on page 3. So you're going to do all of page 1 and page 2 by watching this video. Watch it again if you need to. You probably have to rewind it a couple times, and then I'll make another video for page 3, okay? And if you have questions, just send me an email. I can help you.